Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, today we're going to make okra. So as you see, this is my fresh okra. I am going to wash it very well and then cut, and some of them I'm going to make okra fry with very little oil, of course, and some of them I'm going to make okra curry. So I will share both. After you wash your okra very thoroughly, then you have to pat them dry, because when you cut okra, make sure there is no water. If there is water, then it's going to create slimy things. So okra in water causes like slime to come out. So you need to dry it very well, then you cut it. But after you cut it, do not add any water to okra. So for okra fry, I have about 2 tablespoons of oil and a little bit of cumin seed. As you see, oil getting warmed up. And I have my okra with salt and turmeric. That's it. So I added my okra to the oil, and okra has only salt and turmeric, and you don't need anything else. Now at the end, if you do like, you can add some chili peppers. But right now I'm just going to let it cook like that. I'll cover and cook, and it will cook sometime like 20 minutes. It takes a little longer to cook, but do not add any water. Okra does not need any water. So here is my okra vindi, which is ready. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.